The world around you is full of stress, inflation, war, bad news, and unrest. When I'm stressed, I want to escape to nature. Welcome to Honeybee Aromatherapy Spa. Rest, sleep, and meditation on beds over beehives. Once inside, it will feel like a beehive. You'll feel the vibration, warmth, and aromas of honey, propolis, pollen, and natural wax that have been used for centuries to improve health. To the buzz of the bees, naturally, you'll fall asleep, and when you awaken, you will feel full of energy. It has been proven that bees are one of the best anti-stress therapies. It relieves anxiety and increases the protective functions of the body. Feel the energy of bees. Be with nature.